Hello everyone! This is Simply Norbin. Ayan, my channel is a Pray, Care, and Share channel, more on charity work. And for now, I'm so happy and so blessed and so proud to announce you that I have a join button now! Finally, yan, after 8 months long. Yan, after 8 months long of thinking and praying about it. So, I think this is time. This is my time to open my join membership button. Ayan, I hope and pray na mag-join po kayo sa aking channel. Ayan, malaya po kayo. Pwede pa rin po kayong pumunta sa aking channel. Hindi man kayo magpa-member sa aking channel or magpapa-member kayo, ay welcome na welcome po kayo. Kasi katulad nyo po, ako po si Simply Norbin is hindi ko po kaya lahat na support. Hindi ko po kaya lahat is magpa-member dahil wala po akong trabaho, wala pong sariling work. Si Simply Norbin ay talaga namang more on ministry ang aking trabaho at itong pagbablog. Kaya hinihingi ko po ang inyong pangunawa at sisikapin po ni Simply Norbin na ma-shoutout po ang lahat po ng magpapamember sa akin. Ayan, syempre po sa aking VIP members. Soon, of course, I will try my best to support sa yung LS, sa inyong premiere. Ayan, magpe-present si Simply Norbin at sa lahat po ng aking channel na hindi ko man po maaatinan ng live po sa mga live nyo po at sa inyo pong mga premiere ay magre-replay po si Simply Norbin. Ayan po. So, nais ko lang pong maging honest sa inyo dahil po magkakaiba po ang ating time zone. Kaya po, syempre may mga panahon na mag-LS kayo at magpi-premiere kayo, natulog na ako. Kaya, kayong mag-alala dahil magre-replay po si Simply Norbin. I will try my best din na makasupport sa inyo bilang sukli, ayan, bilang favor din sa ginagawa nyong support sa aking channel. For our English spokening friend out there, ayan, I want to be honest. Ayan, I want to be honest to all of you. I cannot promise to join your membership too. I cannot promise because I don't have a permanent work. Ayan, I cannot sustain all the membership. All I can do is to support and sometimes to be a super chatters. So, but you're very welcome if you want to join my membership for one time. If you want to join my membership for 3 months or 6 months or 1 year, it's up to you. And it is my honor and pleasure, ayan, to be a part of your life, to be part of your channel member, to be part of your channel. And of course, you're very welcome also to support my channel, to be my member or to be my sponsors, ayan, and to be my super chatters. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the trust and love you've given to Simply Norbin. God bless you all and thank you. Bye.